Welcome to RecellCellular.com and thank you for considering us as the site to sell your phone. In this video, you will be walked through the selling process from start to finish. A little info about us: we are an accredited business by the Better Business Bureau. We have an A+ rating, we've been in business online for 8 years and maintain a 5-star rating. We offer you the ability to chat with a live agent the majority of the day if you have a question or just want to say hello. To get started, you can click here to sell. Or choose your manufacturer here. We buy phones from Apple, Google, Samsung, and OnePlus. You can also sell your iPads here. For this demonstration, I'll sell an iPhone. On the iPhone product page, you can see all the models that we buy, as well as the maximum payout you can receive per model. Today I'll sell an iPhone 11 Pro Max. This page is specifically for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but all phone pages and processes are the same. First, we need to know the carrier of your phone. We purchase AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, Unlocked and Verizon phones. If you have a carrier other than those listed, please select Other. I've selected T-Mobile. Next, let's select the storage capacity. The options for this device are 64 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB. Your phone might have different options. I'll select 64 GB. Now, let's grade the condition of your phone. We use poor, average, excellent, and below average. You can get an explanation of each grade by clicking on that tab. Additionally, if you scroll down, you can also see images that will assist you in judging your phone. I'll select average. Now I will select the ESN status. We purchase Clean ESN, a device that is fully paid off and deactivated from your account. Financed ESN, a device you still owe money on. Or Bad ESN, a device still active on an account or that has been reported lost or stolen. Please contact your carrier and ask if they require your phone to be returned. I will select Clean ESN. Last, we need to know the lock status of your phone. For iPhones, you can choose iCloud on, a device that has an iCloud account that you cannot remove. Or select that you have signed out of all accounts on your phone. If you are selling an Android device, you will be asked about Google or FRP locks. I am selecting that I have signed out of my account. To get an instant quote, select Get a Quote here. My offer of $550 pops up quickly and I will accept that and click Sell Now. On this page, returning customers can sign in to their account and new users can create an account. I will create a new account and provide basic info including my email address and a password. After creating your account, you'll see your shopping cart. If you have multiple phones of the same model, you can increase quantity here and can verify that all info on your phone is correct, and you can even change or edit the information here. Under Order Summary, you can select Sell Another Device and it will take you to the manufacturer page and you can go through the process to sell additional devices. I'm going to click here and return to my cart. Select Sell Now in the Order Summary. You'll be asked to enter your mailing address and phone number in order to generate a shipping label. Now the good part, selecting how to receive your payment. We pay by PayPal, Western Union or check. If you select PayPal, we will follow up with you during the inspection process and request your PayPal email address. Payments by Western Union will have $10 deducted from the sale price. Checks will be mailed within 1 business day after inspection. I'm going to select Western Union. Here we have a recap of the order. This includes your order number, tracking number, and a link to download your shipping label. I'll click here and download my label. To access your label at any time, you can go to your profile here, then click on the tab Your Order and then click Order History. Here you can download at any time as well as view your tracking number. After you complete the checkout, we will email you the shipping label to give you an additional way to access it. Your quote is guaranteed for 15 days. During this time we will send you a few email reminders or texts. After we inspect your phone, we will email you an order recap where you will receive notes from our techs about your device and confirm your offer amount. If you selected payment by PayPal, this is where we will ask for that email address. That's all there is to it.